Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial with EC QuickBooks Training. Today we're going to learn how to record customer prepayments or customer deposits. So let's get started. To start, we need to create an account as other current liability. So let's go to the chart of accounts. And the reason we're doing other current liabilities it's because prepayment or deposits are kind of a short-term loans. The customer gives you money up front, but you don't earn the income until you deliver the services or products. In this sample company, they already have customer deposits, which is essentially the same thing, but I'm going to walk you through doing it, and we're going to create prepayments. So after going to list chart of accounts, we can right-click and click New. And other current liabilities is under other account type. So let's select that and then other current liabilities. Then we press continue. We're going to number this 2205 and we're going to name it Prepayments. Prepayments, if I can spell. Okay, Prepayments. Save and close. And then after we have created the account, we need to go to the items list and create an item in order to put it on our invoices and sales receipts. So we can right click new and it's going to be a service. And we're going to do, or if you're doing products, you can do non-inventory product and call it prepayment. Okay, prepayment. And then it's going to, the account, it's going to be that account we created, prepayments. Click OK. So let's say a customer gave you $2,000 prepayment. So let's record that. And I'm going to use one of these sample customers. Let's see. Let's use this one, Custom Home, Wilson Brandon. And we're going to do a sales receipt for that prepayment. Okay, so the item will be, oh, we're going to exclude that. The item will be prepayment, and it's going to be $2,000 because that's what he paid. And then we can send the sales receipt to the customer. So once we bill, we can bill the invoice or the customer, and let's say select outstanding, and I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to create my own. Let's see, item code. I'm just going to do excavation. Let's say we're billing the customer. It could be products, it could be services. So we bill an item. We bill for our services, and then to deduct the prepayment, we're going to again select prepayment. Because he has already given us $2,000, it's going to be a negative $2,000. So the amount of this invoice is $3,000, as you can see down here. So let's save and close. So let's wait for QuickBooks to close. And here it is. And the number here was in advance, and there's the $3,000 invoice. So let's take a look at the register. So let's go to chart of accounts and let's go to our other current liabilities. The prepayments is right there. As you can see, it's 0, which is what we want. It increases when we receive the $2,000 or the prepayment. Once we have earned that revenue, then we can deduct it and it will be a decrease. So then it becomes a negative. And that's how you track prepayments in QuickBooks. And you can also do this in QuickBooks Online the same way. Create an other current liability for prepayments. And then when you bill your customer, you can apply the negative amount, the prepayment, to the customer. I hope you like this video. If so, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more how-tos, tips, and tricks in troubleshooting for QuickBooks. I will see you on the next one.